Hey YouTube, this is part 2 of the canoe build. Or I'm building a canoe or something, I don't remember what I called it. I know you'd say total garbage, but should I got all the runs and the overspray, but I did a Australian truck bed touring. I would have rather had, I'm not too happy if that one can straw fell off of it, but I did 4 inches down and 4 inches over. And then I did up underneath. I would have rather had this dried to say it. No texture. I'll show you why. Wood ate. Which is, I did the wrap off the 125. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a texture to it. And that's same price and everything. And it's Duper truck bed touring. But I did, where I went yesterday, I could not get that. You can see it's rusted in place it here, you know, but that's sure that didn't do a good coating on it. I should have spent the money and bought a can of roll, stuff that you roll on. But I'm going to paint it olive drab green. I'll let you go get you dried up and get the paint I'm going to use. There's our kayaks I got in the Polaris, and 125's on the other side of that smoker there. But going to grab the paint I'm going to. That's stuff. 100 special, Maine USA. It's, I'll get down here and show it to you guys. We'll go over here on the Polaris. And you can do an olive drab green, tan, all under char. It's 100 special, made in USA. And I did a enamel paint. Metal and wood. That's what we used on our, I don't know what you did on a wooden sailboat. But it's 20 bucks a can for a quart. This one ain't shit up yet. Pretty sure this one's been frozen. But you can get tan. They make spray cans up too, but it's 14 bucks a can for a regular 10 or 12 ounce can. For this is Australian, but it's this side the can. It's 12 ounce. But then you can get all the colors in it too. And I'll probably just get some Australian to do grass and stuff on. But going to either spray or paint it with this. And I'm not the happiest with fiberglass, but I gotta get the wood for the inside. I'll probably paint the outside at first. Yeah, it's gonna be it today. Let's see, there's some imperfections there, but that's at the back. This chip spray paint can. You can see it tapered down. Now, I'm gonna sign off. I gotta answer that text. This came in. You can see there's some red, no, they right there, but that should be above the water line. I'm not worried about it. Might caught it a little bit. Yeah, talk to you later.